kase big push a hon sensem no ehwehwemu enkoso minim se eba yi big push nsem no epie a efri bra for first state ede nsem eba fa ho no hit bebre aba emu a chese manfo eka ho asem a ene make yamanyofo no so asum dendenden nya asem ketwa na for first state ede nsem aba na die ntri a edede wom bebrebe ne se wo man yeta hwiska bebre ewo eye contract ya yedema ewo kwan ene no manoma it last week muna make ho asem na me kire the quantum of money amount wa ye lose through contracts which current deputy minister say aban eye nhyehyɛ sɛ ombetumi ahwɛ na saade no eto atwa enti ohwɛ Nhyira nyako ampem a ɔka ho asɛm on 1st October 2025 so ombɛhwɛ sɛ eto betwa because Ghana ye lose over 2 billion Ghana cedis annually through contracts in nsɛm ne ade ye lose sɛ scan in fact 2024 kra no Jeff so obɛhwɛ no amamia government moves to keep we no about 2.3 billion ye lose annually through a contract in nsɛm no eno ne da ho no. And 2024 Auditor General's report no na ekyerɛ irregularities akoso nko a ewo contract sem ni ade nko a no we running around 870 million Ghana cedis which means eya na ye lusu sika ntidede na ewo ho ebra for first state ede ne hwehwɛ mu bae no enye nwanwa pi me am not surprised of the ensem a ekoso ne manfo said the manfo si kasa no ewo ho I'm not surprised. And the issues involved are especially with soul sourcing. In fact, I stated my opinion last week on soul sourcing. Say because of our contrast, majority of them, as the deputy minister confirmed, yana acquire soul sourcing. Soul sourcing now so be a machine no be a through. In fact, and yet say be use soul sourcing illegal now say itiamra. But because of history. And I said yes, paint, now obo source in there. No be true because politicians neta abuse no. Now for first stage, let's say 81% of big push projects in no. About 107 projects are assessing and about 81% a true sourcing. Minister so by responding, let's say only 44%. And a year so sourcing from the entire contract, which contracts and also a dorsal, or can say about 400 of the contracts in the crowd here, a year competitive tendering. And now, or say 44% in the crowd, a year so sourcing, 23 a year so sourcing contractor, a 23 so sourcing contract, and ya bind that down one penswa, or modema, intina untiminchum, ese or twasuna oye, and untin wade, and also a shame being. Na minister beya no was akwan when it comes to the soul sourcing figures no I would just say enye nyina no odi ama soul sourcing na the odi ama soul sourcing so 81% said there eye for first state come now ohwe the other side of the issue of for first state just say anya the 23 inherited soul source projects no enisenka minister de ka big push no because ebetumi ama sikawie bi abawase because a project dada na wan hwe na obi akoye ebi aba akono kra de ma 500 obetumi akase de ma 800 eno na minister ne kire se aban dada no anya sika bi a wo ho se ekwan no a wono de ma contract so sourcing no ehun sika ni a wo de beye it is one fan ne big push ni mu a omuntumi project enye budget e wo ho ti sa akwan no ebeka enunti no de sa 23 rules no aban dada no apenso no wo ye no or they be big push no nti no ye old big push no wonya new big push no ye de ono nko a obeye sisi no ye fresh ones na for first state esan so raise concerns about the cost eye sika eko eye akwan ni mu na o kire se wo hwe per kilometer of rules a sika eko mu no ano de bi wa kilometer no kura iswa ba behwe no na sika eko mu no do so chen de ne kilometer ewa and also na minister na betiri mu se ekwan bia ne no ma ehia enti se ebia utu kwan ye kwan ewo kuromu a ejina no ma uhia de akom na wo ye no wakura ase so a ejina no ma uhia de akom ekwan ni bi wo ho a etia ba de bia ba bia wo ye no so ensuo ho ne ade ubehia gutters bebre ubehia drainage systems ne ade bi kura ye se wo ye bridge eti bia ne bo no be ye different form ekwan bia ebia ewa na nso ehia saa no ma ni nyina enti wode Accra Tema motorway yɛmfa to ho 19.5 kilometers I will say cost around $17.34 million per kilometer. Odeba yɛnsesa mu dia na is about 190 million Ghana cedis per kilometer. That is 19.5 kilometers no. But adenta to Dodowa road minister no HSA $5.4 million tina is per kilometer nti wo hwa and only 22 kilometers watching the Accra Tema motorway 19.5 no but and only no per kilometer no fem chain Accra Tema de no enti wo kire say it depending on normal ekwan no ehia as of that time so omode ye nti 5.4 million per kilometer no the buy is 60.35 million Ghana cedis it is 22 kilometers no and only no kra wo fem chain 19.5 kilometers no na Jeff I will come to that enti se wo hwe a minister no so de anu ye eba na for first they say they ade bi ba ye fa dodo pepper so nkwanta road no so a wo mo kire sika ekomu no in fact se wo ko ministry na website ya not this one near blue ye bi ye de asan mu no wo ministry na website ya sa document we eda ho ene da so Facebook no join your Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 eye contractor wo mo dia ma ye 800 rehabilitation of dodo pepper so nkwanta 46 kilometers no say 804 million na minister ebetwete ye wo chirim be wo ne Twitter page X page wo say enye sa na tie 683 million DJ fu betumi de no ato ha maye agboda ne X page no enti o say 683 enti enye 804 million said the fourth estate ka no na o hwe sa sika no mu a in fact per some documents a free Ghana Highway Authority wono mo will be for the contract award no o hwe sa document na Ghana Highway Authority de no confirm minister ne 683 no say that was water company no assign wo ase that 683,902,961 eti no na da ho no Ghana Highway Authority rehabilitation of Dodo Pepeso Nkwanta road 46 kilometers ti grand summary ni nyina no and na growth growth global limited omo je contract no ye omo publish your website no sa company no so stamp ni si so no omo copy omo je no that is it it just say 683 million and another concern was about the number of people omo ye adwuma na and also me read the website of sa build managers limited na me hwe say yes omo wo nipa wo mde adwuma ba kope but the previous contracts wonu mo age any dwumadia na wonu mo adi ene ekwan a wonu mo no images wonu mo de etoto ho no bi kire se nipa adwuma wo ho no edoso but why say a document would depict say one person ene adwuma wo ho na etuba Facebook abehwe video no we ne workers a wo mo ye adwuma we ye ekwan a wo mo na ohwe sa build company limited no a wo mo no build managers limited no wo mo company no nti uhwe a obi twi excavator obi so A2 amna obi so si signboard ro mo obi so tape no ne ade ti see say workers no edoso ekwan a wo ma ye bi ni so why say yenya sa particular number no on a document eno chewo baby aya na yigina asoman say ye kekankrata abomu a the realities on the ground ene enkrata ye de beba bonten no eya na hu hia say yitimi ehweni yi because as we see it here no this is their video on the road construction omugusu a omoye and the number of workers there no edoso enye one eti house one and they appear document no so ba minim se na me ne contractor bi di nkomo ebisa no ho asem se mete menya mu ntiase yi and wo kire me se so omoje contractor say ye school dan say ye road say ye den a what they do ne say omo registration ne documentation on be ye no ya na omo mfa workers ni nyina enhim enti bia be nipa 4 bi bia administrative secretary bi ono contractor no and they be a nipa mienu engineer bi ni technical officer bi o kan mo ho bi nipa be 4 pe no mo din bi abakrata so and nipa be miensa but no mo ko site no mo ko ye adwuma no ma fa apaafo laborers a mo be ba be kan ho bebre aye adwuma no ti sa laborafo no mo nye workers ti say bi a wa fa na adwuma ama no appointment letters wo ye ne worker enye sa obo ne pa wo bra we nya adwuma a wo be ye ti say nipa no di ntimi ma ne krata so. That was what the contractor told me. Say onu say wo de ne year e na aye na administrative secretary wo ne paper so ena ni nua ba akoso a waye oya architect ode ono so abaso bi nti wo ye for na wo krata ne so but okoje dan no wosi a osi school dan a wasi nyina wa nyusu workers kra utimi use be 150 to 200 but o konkrata no so a ono no krata no so de enipa be 4 ene wo so. And that is how we are pretty with their contracts. It was not the contractor, so I asked him for that particular information. And na orchestra sa and na omo eyeno but obeko grounds na workers no edoso. Now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akole on se proof enkoso. Na omunye nhwehwemu because document na ma kire obi no. Ebi wo ho a esisie na ebi so ebeba no na eye wani so from the four first state di. Emi say most times no behwe no de omo erezi ye nyina no ebi wo ho no mo a there are evidence support to say though we be at the online but the real document no enye sa na tie ewo the ministry and the Ghana Highways Authority omo akache enti I think that said your mampani afresh a minister na mfa ho document ni bibia amra no that is where we will get the actual document no be to said ye kire Ghana Highways di confirm 683 which disputes a year 804 million na that online no. It actually say online why na publish here, and the minister should look into the document before it's published. It is say negligence, say any fasuo said ye. I think that at the end of the day no beba. And as I said, a contracts and on the ama. May my problem with the sole sourcing issue. I said ya abuse in pen in history. Every be a chemu into what is sole source now you must. But enya di tiamra wo bia in the procurement laws. By the end of the day, say ye beye no ye na awie ye. Na sikadie bia amem. Na yetimi awie kwan ni ye. That is what Ghana for pay. Ni ye pay nyina ne say obi wie sika wom. Na sika se ye de ye kwan no pepepe ne ye de beye na ye benya quality roads. At the end of the day, ye hia ye quality e kwan a eye papa na ebeche eye durable enye de o fast was 6 months na etutu agu ne bia. That is what Ghanaians ye hwehwe. Edime I've said say do misro that sole sourcing issue because politicians are handling ye in the past. But if 44 has been awarded, which I've remember last week said maybe who say ye too much. By the end of the day, say Auditor General's report ba. Say Office of the Special Prosecutor there wan find corruption bia wo bia omo ehihye hyemu no ma hwehwem na corruption bia amfa bia na yetimi anya kwan ye quality a. I wouldn't have problem with it. I think say no be set a basis for say you benya trust was our procurement method anymore. But that's a stance no there. Ubo so sourcing bia obi ayembe no. And it's normal. So be a yambeshino. Do in Tiamra, but there's will be a yamshino because manfwe disika ebre etwemu. Inti we are hoping say the outcome of this particular investigations amamponi our day ebeye bibia ede anida so ebebre yen asoman na yehu se enoma nyina eda na kwenti so far ye twen ye watwe mu for those investigations to complete. Na yehu said yehu nsembesifa ako Nhyira 104.5. Ye bekwa homa no so na afi